Multiple users can add comments to a document, and this works as a great collaboration feature. Another useful feature is the Compare tool. This allows you to compare edits in two different copies of the same document. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to work with comments and compare document changes. At WestCal, they have been working a lot with printed copies of their documents. It allows some easy collaboration, and it's nice to be able to hand some physical output to visiting clients. But they are noticing that when edited by hand, staff comments and client markup often returns as illegible scribbles and scrawls, and there are always a few post-it notes that have accidentally fallen off and gone missing. Microsoft Word improves the multi-user document editing process with its commenting feature. Each user can add comments to a document. Their comments are connected to the relevant part of the document content, and they never get lost. To insert a comment, first select the portion of text on which you want to comment. If you want to comment on just one word, click to place your cursor in that word. Attaching your comments to specific parts of a document makes your feedback clearer. Once you have made your selection, click Review, New Comment. You can also find the New Comment command on the mini toolbar and on the right mouse shortcut menu. When you click the New Comment command, a title appears on the right-hand side of the screen. Simply type into this area. Once you are done typing your comment, click outside the comment to continue editing the document. The comment is now added. To change the text of one of your comments, either click the balloon symbol of your comment, or if it's visible to screen right, just click directly into it. You can edit any comment at any time, including comments you did not create. But in the etiquette of shared commenting, it's best to reply to other comments rather than to edit them. Replying builds up a thread of comments, replies, and replies to replies. This thread of conversation is part of the collaborative aspect of commenting. If someone else is commenting on the document, replying to their comments lets you have a discussion. To reply to a comment, click the reply icon below the comment. Then type your reply. Anytime you finish creating or working on a comment, just click outside of the comment to close it. When the matters relating to a comment are completed or resolved, you can use the Resolve command to indicate that a comment is now closed or no longer active. To resolve a comment, open it for editing, then click the Resolve button, and the comment will be resolved, giving it a grayed out look. Resolve comment is also found on the right-click menu. Deleting comments, especially those completed or resolved, will clear some of the comment clutter. To delete a comment, place your cursor in the commented text or open the comment itself for editing. Then click the Delete command on the Review tab. By default, you'll find comments in the margin at the right of your page. In this view, comments are shown side by side with the page content to help you focus on the feedback that's most relevant to the part of the document you're working on. When you resolve a comment, it's grayed out. In the Comments pane, you can see a single list of all the comments in your document, including the resolved comments. The Show Comments choice on Review ribbon toggles two views of comments, the enlarged right margin view or as a collapsed balloon icon near the commented text. With either view, if your document contains multiple comments, you can scroll up and down using normal document navigation, such as the scroll bars, or navigate with the Previous and Next buttons in the Comments group of the Review tab. If the Previous Next buttons are grayed out, then that means that there are no comments in the document. You can also click Review, Show Comments, or click Comments to the right of the ribbon tab to see comments on the right-hand side of the document. Resolved comments will be formatted with a light gray font. Grace could use the Comments feature to replace her current reviewing system and get better team collaboration. She is testing this process with just 3 team members: herself, the graphics lead Zoe, and Martin, who handles client liaison. For this client flyer, Grace needs to check what the picnic participants should bring to the meetup. She selects this item, and from the mini toolbar chooses New Comment. A comment pane opens on screen right. Grace enters a comment to Martin so that he can follow up with the client. Clicking outside the comment pane completes the comment. After some time, the client responds to Martin and he posts a reply to the comment. All users of this document will see the reply. Grace follows up on Martin's reply to action the update with the graphics lead Zoe. You click the Reply button to enter a response to a comment. When finished with your work in a comment or reply, click in your document outside of the comment. This finishes and posts the comment, making it available to other users. Continuing the discussion, users can see a reply from Zoe. Grace considers this discussion now closed. The matter is with Zoe and she has indicated a timeline for conclusion. When all items are decided and action is undertaken, you might want to use the comment resolve command. When resolved, the comment is grayed out so you can easily focus on the remaining comments that require your attention. To view other comments in your document, first check if they are visible on the right side of the screen. If not, use Show Comments from the Review tab. With comments visible, you can simply scroll or navigate through the document in the normal way. Alternatively, use Previous and Next from the Comments group of the Review tab to navigate the comments. To delete a comment, place your cursor in the commented text or open the comment itself for editing, then click the Delete command on the Review tab. Use comments in Word to set reminders for yourself or to open a richer collaboration experience for you and your teams.